This is Bill and Colleen's forever home.
Their two boys are leaving the nest and they're ready to get their space back. So D&G's on their way in for a home makeover.
We're going in on this job and these people have no idea what's gonna happen. They gave us ideas of what they like, but they have no idea what we're doing.
This one is gonna be really fun.
How are you?
Hi, come on in.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Likewise.
We're so excited. I can't even tell you guys, like, it's gonna be awesome. Should we go in there in the kitchen? I'll show Gina the house.
Oh yeah, totally. Let's go check it out.
Yes.
My name is Colleen Kluza. This is my husband, Bill Kluza. We have two boys. We've been in this house for 15 and a half years. I'm looking forward to building a relationship with Darren and Gina, trying to, just getting stuff done by people that are willing to work with you and help you out and not just take your money and run. We've run into so many bad, that it's just not, it has not been good. And not only that, it's finally getting done. And how long did I drag my feet on trying to get someone in here to do it?
So she loves cooking.
I love to cook.
I do want to bring that up. She loves her island.
My island is only for space. My boys also like to cook. And every inch of everything is covered, trying to maneuver around everything. And it seems big enough, but then you're like, something's over here, something's over here. Do you know what I mean?
You almost need it to continue like baking and cooking and moving stuff and then to the table or whatever.
Yeah. I never fry anything because it's just, I hate the way it smells and I don't like what it does to the cabinets and everything. But then again, you can kind of see that I I cook, but
but they need to be vented out,
Do you utilize all of your cabinet space?
Yes.
You like that? Okay.
Yeah.
I have a thought, but yes.
Oh, no, tell me.
No, I can't tell you.
Oh, you can't tell me. That's right, that's right. The main level of the house is what we really want fixed up. As the kids got bigger and we kept schooling our kids from home, we just kind of let everything kind of fall by the wayside and we just focused on them. And now that they're getting older and leaving the nest, it's time for us. It's time for us to be kind of happy and allow our friends to come back over and have fun card games and hang out and just enjoy our house and our time.
So I think I have an idea of the kitchen. Let's talk about this room over here.
It doesn't seem like a lot of space, but it's almost now like it's becoming...
There's a lot of space if it's worked out the right way. It's just not flowing all together,
flowing all together, and it's very choppy.
Yeah, it just seems like this room's over here, that room's over there, this room's over there.
And then we have no real storage, so our vacuum cleaner stays there, and then on our landing is where we keep our jackets and stuff.
Okay, got it.
I've always hated the tile, I've always hated the mantle. I've never really liked it. And if you want to put another hole in the wall, I'm okay with it.
Was that a little hockey playing in here? Is that why?
Yes. He was trying to do a kick off the wall, to kind of just, and he was just trying to push off so that,
Oh, geez. Oh, man, that's funny.
If you notice, if you look around our house, we don't have any pictures on the wall. Not just because I have boys that are crazy and like to throw balls and stuff in the house, which we tried, but it's because I could never make a conscious real decision on what I really, really liked and what I didn't like. I'm really excited for it to just even start. I'll probably cry, I'm sure. Don't you think? I don't know, we'll see what happens.
No, I'm excited for this.
I am too. But we'll go back, we'll have a meeting, we'll get a timeline, and then we're gonna be in touch in the next few days.
Okay.
All right, well, let's get to work. What do you say? Yes. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Okay, guys, we just got done meeting the Kluzas, and we just went over everything in their house. I brought Gina out to meet them. I'm ready to get to work, so what's your thoughts?
They're super friendly, love them. It's like we've been old friends forever. They're excited for the Alderson experience, so we're gonna give that to them, and we're gonna transform it completely D&G style.
It's time to get to work, so you guys get ready. Let's do this.